Hello, I'm Esnat, the founder of Relaxation Clinic Jordan Health. Join me as I dive deep into the world of holistic therapies to see if they can heal both the body and the soul. When we talk about holistic therapies, it's not just about treating the symptoms. It's about restoring balance physically, emotionally, and spiritually. At FL Aesthetic, every treatment is designed to support your entire well-being. From facials that refresh your skin, to massages that releases your tension. Body scrub that renew your glow. And pedicure, we treat the whole person, not just the skin. I have seen people find relief after years of pain through simple natural methods like regular massage, personalized skincare, and being present in their own process of healing journey. Their transformation reminds us that healing is possible when we nurture every part of ourselves. Holistic healing isn't magic, it's connection, and it begins with caring for yourselves. Let's walk in this healing journey together. Subscribe into at FL Aesthetic Esnat on YouTube for more insight on holistic beauty, healing, and self-care. I will see you in the next video.